Hi, welcome on Yourpedia, and as you can see on thumbnail, that is true information. Thousands of jobs are going to come in the field of environmental engineering, environmental science, and those of you who are specialists in environmental science are going to be eligible for these jobs. अभी हमने देखा था मध्य प्रदेश पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड has advertised some seats and the eligibility was environmental science and they were asking for gate score. Some pollution control board they don't ask for gate score. जैसे पीछे सेंट्रल पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड का एग्जाम हुआ था, अपना अलग से एग्जाम हुआ था. You know, some places they ask you masters in environmental science, some places they ask you gate in environmental science, some places they ask you some branches but they conduct their own exam. But nutshell में ये है कि environment से related thousands of jobs are going to come and that is before this 2024 ends. So अगर आपने गेट 2024 environmental science से नहीं भरा है और आप civil engineer और भर सकते हैं, do that. And if you get opportunity to do MTech in environmental science, that will lead you to the government job. Because environment में बहुत सा opportunities आने वाला है and that is required. India is going to work for meeting sustainable development objectives, goals, and these are the reasons why more government jobs are coming. अब pollution control board एक state में नहीं होता, हर state का pollution control board है and everywhere the jobs are required. So if you can prepare for this particular paper for GATE, then your preparation for all the exams can be simultaneously done. अगर आप प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं, सिविल इंजीनियर हो, केमिकल इंजीनियर हो, अगर आप प्लानिंग कर रहे हो कि मेरे को दूसरा पेपर 2 क्या लेना है और गवर्नमेंट जॉब में इंटरेस्टेड हो, तो देन इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन गवर्नमेंट जॉब देन यू राइट विद दिस पेपर. बट इफ यू वांट प्लेसमेंट देन राइट विद DA, डाटा साइंस के साथ लिखो एंड देन यू कैन गेट प्लेसमेंट इन द कैंपस ऑल्सो. So pursuing masters in environmental science will help you in that. There is another advantage of that. As you know, Yourpedia Global motivates and provides the platforms to students who are interested to pursue higher education abroad. Then environmental science में बहुत सी opportunities हैं जिनमें आप abroad जा सकते हो for pursuing your PhD. There are so many opportunities for that. So if you are interested to pursue your PhD abroad in environmental science, then also you have option to do that. So ये भी एक ऑप्शन आपके पास है जिसमें आप अब्रॉड में जा सकते हो फॉर परस्यूइंग योर PhD. So if you have done your masters and you are looking for PhD abroad, you can do that. So nutshell में there are so many jobs and if you people have not started preparing for this subject, start preparing. Yourpedia के ऊपर dedicated environmental science का एक module है, you can take that module and you can prepare really well for that module. Hope you got the idea and if you are interested for the government job, go for it. All the very best. Thank you.